What is up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price. It seems like just when we were breaking out, getting a bounce at the support of this symmetrical triangle, there wasn't too much volume, and then Elon Musk came and tweeted, and the market had a 7% correction. We can see this was 8 hours ago, and this was just here where we can see this major drop when Elon Musk tweeted. This was also posted on the Bitcoinsensus website, guy. BTC price decreased by a meme. Is it time for the meme coin to shine? You can check this out. The link is in the description of the Bitcoinsensus website. The DXY is also getting a nice bounce from this support level, so this is not good for Bitcoin in the short term. We'll be taking a look at this, and we'll be taking a look at Ethereum getting a bounce here from this critical support level. We are going to check out these levels also for Ethereum and ADA. It looked like we were breaking out from this major resistance, the $1.80, and we came back in this ascending triangle, so it is not looking too bearish just yet, guys. Remember, if you are interested in trading, check out the PrimeXbt leveraged trading platform. This is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% in addition to what you deposit, guys. The link is in the description. Any questions, let me know in the comment section. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. I'm not a financial advisor. Let's go straight into the chart. Zooming out here on the price of Bitcoin. If you were in the live stream yesterday, we did see the breakout from this symmetrical triangle. There wasn't too much volume. It wasn't a confirmed breakout really, but I was pretty aggressive. I entered a trade. I am still in that trade. And what we can see also, if we go to the 15-minute chart, we were talking about this breakout having these bearish divergence on the 15-minute chart. The RSI going down, the price going up here from the breakout, and it was looking a little bit bearish, this breakout, but I was a little bit aggressive, and we were getting a nice bounce here from the resistance of the symmetrical triangle, finally making a double top, not breaking the high here from the breakout. And yeah, guys, suddenly Elon Musk tweeted also. His tweet started right over here. So just when we started dumping, and this correction was almost about a 7.5 correction since his tweet. This was only 8 hours ago from this video. And what can we expect now for the price of Bitcoin? Well, what I can see now is the price had a massive sharp correction here, and the RSI is actually picking up, so we could see some sideways action and a little bit to the upside here on the 15-minute chart. We did break down from this major support level, the $37,300, $37,200 range. As you can see, we were mentioning that we should be getting a bounce if we get inside the triangle here, because it's been major support and resistance. And as you can see, major resistance back here also, and support there. Well, we actually got a first bounce, and obviously afterwards, dead cat bounce, and came straight back down again. Now, it's super important in my opinion. This is the center of the triangle, so I'm going to remain bearish if we are in the lower part of the triangle. I'm going to remain bullish if we are on the higher top of the triangle. So the $37,200 range should be broken out for me to start getting bullish again. Guys, what I can see is that we're having bullish divergence on the 15-minute chart, so the bears are losing steam. We should be going sideways and potentially a little bit to the upside. It is the start of the weekend, guys, all depending on what the traditional markets are going to do. It is going to be very, very boring, I think, in the next coming days. Also, the DXY is getting a decent bounce. This is the daily chart on the DXY. So the DXY may be getting, for the next coming days, might be pumping, because we are creating a double bottom scenario, as you can see here on the chart. So the DXY might be pumping in the next coming days, which won't be good for Bitcoin. I hope we go sideways here and potentially down, but it is looking a little bit strong. So the dollar value might be gaining a little bit of strength in the coming days because of this double bottom scenario, guys. Let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is getting a bounce at this critical level, this support line from this huge ascending triangle, we could potentially say, because we are hitting this major resistance just below the $2,900 range. Right over here, we retested it for the third time, and we are creating these higher lows. And currently, we are just sitting above, okay? We've got this point of touch, 2 and 3, okay, creating these higher lows. And now we are just staying above it. We are critical area. If this resistance point breaks to the downside, then the next target here for Ethereum is going to be the $2,520 range. We've got strong support here and here, as you can see on the chart. So if we break down, it could be a fake out, or depending, you know, the weekend doesn't have too much volatility, there's not too much volume, so we should be getting a bounce at the $2,530 range, okay, if we break down. The price is looking very, very weak at the moment. You know, the Elon Musk tweet hasn't helped anything, the crypto space. So if it does hold, we should be getting above the $2,700 range to remain bullish again, okay, in my opinion, because this is where I can see some major support levels, okay, and resistance in the past. This is where I have my orange box. So we are going to get in between this trend line and also this resistance point. So we should be choosing a direction in the next coming hours. Let's hope it's going to be to the upside. It is to the, if it's to the downside, we'll be breaking this trend line. So as long as we stay above this low over here, well, then it's going to be looking okay. It might be a fake out and we'll be coming back in. If we start breaking the $2,530 range, it is going to be looking quite bearish, guys. We'll have to do some bearish technical analysis then. Also ADA, guys, ADA, we did see the breakout. You know, there wasn't too much volume confirmation. You know, we were just starting to break out from this major resistance, the $1.80, $1.82. You know, we had major touches there, a couple of touches here, and it was just a breakout, and no volume at all, and we came straight back in. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, because the Elon tweet affected most of the markets. Maybe we were destined to not break to the upside, so we just broke out, you know, and the ideal would be getting another breakout from the breakout and seeing volume coming in. But we came straight back in. We are inside still of this symmetrical triangle. So as long as we stay inside of this symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, sorry, then it is going to be looking okay in my opinion. If we break this resistance point, you know, I'm expecting a drop to this next support level, as you can see here on the chart. This is going to be the next level to come back down, the $1.56 range, $1.55. And the last major support is going to be the $1.45 in my opinion. If we zoom out to the 4-hourly chart, you know, this is where we had this major resistance point for ADA. You know, we touched it many, many times in this ascending triangle, as you can see right over here. And yeah, we should be, you know, getting a bounce from this area. But as long as we're inside this ascending triangle, it is still looking bullish. We haven't broken below the higher lows, which is good. You know, the next higher low would be here. And yeah, which is the $1.55. So as long as we are on top of the $1.55, we are still creating higher lows, which is bullish, guys, okay? The buying pressure is still low, is high, you know, you can see higher lows, higher lows. As long as we still create higher lows, it is going to be looking bullish still for Cardano, okay? We might have a little fake out, all depending on what is going to happen. Remember, the weekend is a little bit boring, guys. This is what I've got for today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button. You'll be helping out the channel immensely. It is the weekend. There is, you know, I hate the fundamentals because you got a tweet from Elon Musk that just breaks the structure of technical analysis, and I'm getting really mad at Elon Musk, guys. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. There's all sorts here, guys. Great information, price predictions, news, exchange reviews. You can see the best exchange with the best bonuses and the best fees. You got guides on how to buy, how to store Bitcoin. You know the deal. The link is in the description, so you can check out the website. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial, make sure to check it out. The video is popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.